Hello everyone. I am the technical engineer of GBPI, He Xiao Chan. Today I bring you the fourth generation of our PI self-developed total migration and non-volatile matter tester, Auto ZF3600. Non-volatile matter testing of purified water in the pharmaceutical industry. Total migration testing of food contact materials for the food industry. We in the traditional artificial water bath steam dry method. There will be a constant weight difficult, cumbersome operation, low test efficiency, solvent cannot be recovered these project problems. Then we, GBPI, launched an integrated and intelligent solution Auto ZF3600. For these project problems, the instrument is equipped with 36 test stations and an automatic feeding system on top. Testing without waiting. The middle part is a visualized test chamber, which integrates the functions of our blast dryer and water bath. Our water bath can automatically add water, automatically sense the water level, and automatically drain. 3 high-precision 100,000th analytical balance embedded in the bottom, and we have made a constant temperature and humidity for the analytical balance. A patented protection against water vapor. Next is an accessory of our instrument, the cooling recovery device. In our cooling and recovery unit, our solvent recovery rate can reach more than 90%. This is a sample preparation table before we serve samples. We now prepare 3 different, gradient concentrations of sodium chloride solution to verify the accuracy of our Auto ZF3600. That is 100 milliliters of our purified water, containing 0.5 milligrams of sodium chloride, containing 1 milligram of sodium chloride, and containing 2 milligrams of sodium chloride respectively. So now we use a 100 milliliters measuring cylinder to measure 100 milliliters of the solution. Next we add this 100 milliliters solution to the automatic dosing system of our instrument. After we finish the sample, open our test software. For testing software, let's look at our system configuration. System configuration, we set our constant weight standard value, and then the balance accuracy can be selected between 100,000th and 1/10,000th. After selecting, we carry out the parameter setting interface, then we can create a new test method. Purified water 01 can also load the previous test method. Then our experimental process, we will implement a standard experimental process, empty cup constant weight, evaporation, constant weight of the residue of the experimental process. Then we will choose the automatic feeding method that the experimental parameters are set. It is possible to follow the standard implementation, but also can be customized settings. For example, empty cup cooling time can be set to 30 minutes, that evaporation time is 350 minutes. For example, we dry a temperature, 105 degrees Celsius, then we can also make each round the heating time settings. Click OK. Then click on the Start button. After clicking the Start button, enter the screen for editing sample information. Sample information for each of our test stations can be edited. Then if we finish editing all the sample information, just click OK and the instrument is ready for testing. After instrument operation, the first is to perform a process of empty cup constant weight. The instrument will be heated and cooled first, and the first round of weighing. Then repeat, heating and cooling the second round of weighing. The mass difference between the front and back weighing should be less than the set 0.3 milligrams. Then perform the next step of the process. Next is the automatic refilling. Automatic dosing system for solutions on top will automatically refill the evaporation dish in the test chamber. At the same time, the balance isolation device will activate. Next is the process of water bath evaporation. The water bath built into our instruments automatically fills with water and automatically senses the water level. After finishing adding water, the water bath is heated to evaporate, then the solution in the evaporation dish will be completely evaporated. After reaching the set evaporation time, we'll automatically execute the next process. Next is the last part of our instrument, residual constant weight. The instrument will be heated and cooled first, and the first round of weighing. Then repeat, heating and cooling the second round of weighing. The mass difference between the first and second weighing should be below the set 0.3 milligrams. Then our entire experimental process is complete. Test termination, end. After the instrument completes the test, let's move on to the submission and review of the test report. Then we operators open the test software. Click on Reports, Historical Reports. Check the history report that has been generated as well. Then click on the test report you want to view. After viewing, submission can be done on the system. Then our auditor logs into our testing software, also in Reports, Historical Reports, then check the report. Then we see a report submitted by the operator. Then we click on the report he submitted can be viewed. Once the view is complete, we will audit it.